Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Weaving Kit is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys for children aged 8 to 12, offering a unique blend of creativity, fine motor skill development, and artistic expression. It allows children to create their own unique textile art pieces, fostering patience and concentration while igniting their imagination and providing a sense of accomplishment upon completion. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Weaving Loom. It's time to unleash your inner artist. This Melissa and Doug loom comes with everything you need to start creating. With its extra-large frame, you have plenty of space for your masterpieces. The adjustable frame lets you change the size of your project. It's designed for easy use. The easy grasp knobs make it simple to adjust the frame and switch between different crafts. Get ready to weave a rainbow. It includes 91 yards of colorful yarn and 42 picture strips to inspire your creations. Choose from 4 exciting projects or let your imagination run wild and create your own unique designs. The illustrated booklet will guide you. It arrives in eco-friendly packaging, designed for easy opening and minimal waste. It's easy to recycle too. What we like? It boasts an extra-large frame and easy grasp knobs, making it incredibly user-friendly. It also comes with materials from multiple crafts, allowing for diverse creative exploration. If you're looking for a versatile and accessible weaving kit for various projects, this is the one for you. What people say. Very sturdy components. Super easy to put together, 5 minutes at most. Great size loom and quite stable on the pedestal feet. While it does not have a heddle, this is a great loom for weaving with larger, bulkier yarns. Easy to warp. Great accessories with the loom, including a wonderful wooden, X-large needle. I bought this for my 3 little girls. I opened it and put it together and it looks great, way simpler and easier to use than the loom I had as a kid. They will have no trouble making things, and I can easily grab more yarn for them to use again and again. My kid, 6, likes it very much and can do most of the work by himself. An adult might be needed only for the initial setup, but it is a great game, high quality, and pretty simple to use for creative kids. Number 4. PREBOX Weaving Loom Kit. It's more than just a craft kit, it's a journey into creativity. Watch them weave their own masterpieces and develop essential skills. Relive childhood memories or create new ones with this fun and engaging activity. It's perfect for bonding with your kids. This isn't limited to pot holders. Let your imagination run wild and create coasters, hair bands, or even small bags. The kit comes with everything you need to get started: loom, yarn, needle, hook, and easy-to-follow instructions. It's the perfect gift. The simple instructions make it easy for kids to learn, and they can create their own unique patterns. Share their creations with family and friends. Weaving is a rewarding experience. See the pride in their eyes as they complete their projects and share them with loved ones. What we like? This kit provides easy-to-follow instructions, making it perfect for beginners. It also offers a nostalgic craft experience and the ability to create various items beyond pot holders. If you are looking for a simple and fun project that can be used to create many different things, this is a great choice. What people say. I bought this for my 6-year-old granddaughter. She absolutely loved it. Her mother had to go buy her more yarn because now she's making Christmas gifts for everyone. Very sturdy frame, easy to figure out. It is a great gift for a young child. Great activity for them on a rainy day. Great for beginners. My 6 and 8-year-old girls love making these pot holders. I highly recommend this as a gift for a young child. Number 3. Hapinest Knit Loom Kit. Get ready to explore your creativity with this complete kit. It has everything you need to start your knitting journey. Inside, you'll find a round knitting loom, colorful yarn, a crochet hook, a yarn needle, pom-poms, and easy instructions. Everything is designed for young crafters. This isn't just a fun activity, it also helps develop fine motor skills and sensory abilities. It's a great way to combine learning and creativity. The large loom and easy-to-follow instructions make knitting a breeze, even for beginners. You'll be creating your own hat or scarf in no time. Looking for a gift that sparks creativity and self-expression? This kit is perfect for birthdays or holidays. It allows kids to create unique handmade items. This kit truly has it all. Everything you need for circle loom knitting is included, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. What we like? It's an all-inclusive kit with everything needed to get started. It's designed to be educational and easy for young beginners to learn. If you want a comprehensive kit that teaches a new skill in a fun way, this is ideal. What people say. The book is easy to follow with lots of fun projects. Easy to use and understand. She's already made one hat. Only took a few days and she enjoyed doing it while relaxing watching TV. Purchased for a 7-year-old and she loved it and was able to use on her own. Number 2. BUILPLAY Weaving Loom. It's more than just a craft kit, it's a journey into creativity. This kit makes creating beautiful potholders easy and fun for everyone. With clear instructions, even beginners can weave amazing potholders. It's perfect for kids aged 6 and up, and adults too. Weaving together creates wonderful family memories. It's a chance to bond and share a fun, creative experience. With 288 loops in 8 bright colors, you can make 7 unique potholders. The possibilities are endless. It's versatile. Use it to create potholders, cat dolls, handbags, or even coin purses. Let your imagination run wild. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's educational, fun, and promotes creativity. The kit comes with everything you need: loops, loom, needles, hooks, and easy-to-follow instructions. Just open and start creating. What we like? It includes clear instructions and promotes quality family time. The finished products have multiple uses beyond potholders. If you are looking for a kit that is easy to use and can be enjoyed with your family, this is a great option. What people say. Our 7-year-old loved this potholder making craft toys so much we ended up buying a second one for her. Kept her busy and happy for an hour at a time. The patterns that come with it are nice. My 10-year-old niece enjoyed making the first potholder. My granddaughters are 7, 9, and 16. All 3 enjoyed making these potholders. They made color to match bedrooms and den so they could be used as coasters for their water bottles. Number 1. National Geographic Weaving Kit. It's an all-in-one weaving kit. Everything needed to create beautiful works of art is included. Let's get started. With simple, step-by-step instructions, even beginners can easily learn to weave. It's designed for fun and learning. Create a rainbow, then a sunset, and finally, a stunning waterfall. Each project builds upon the last, increasing skill level. It features a sturdy wooden loom and over 150 feet of brightly colored yarn. It's built to last and inspire creativity. The loom is reusable, and you can use it again and again with additional yarn. The possibilities are endless. This kit is made with the highest quality materials and is backed by our commitment to your satisfaction. It's more than a toy, it's an educational experience. What we like? This all-inclusive kit comes with everything you need and provides easy-to-follow instructions. It offers 3 exciting designs of increasing difficulty. If you want a kit that is easy to use and provides a fun challenge, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a pretty good kit for teaching weaving. The directions are fairly straightforward with the exception of how to get it off the loom. We love the projects, they are very pretty. Well put together package. My 7-year-old granddaughter now wants to weave with every visit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.